The reason you can't find the archive order button on Amazon anymore is because they got rid of it about a year ago. Unfortunately, we can't archive orders, but we can still hide orders. If you're ordering things for a family member or like a present or birthday or something, you want to be able to separate those orders. You do need to have separate accounts, but you don't have to have separate Prime subscriptions. So with Amazon Prime Family, you can actually share your Prime member benefits with another adult and also up to 4 kids. And so there's a link in the description where you can go and subscribe for Prime, potentially get 3 or 6 months free of Amazon Prime if you're between 18 and 24 years old or a student. Otherwise, you can actually get 30 days for free if you don't already have a Prime membership, but only one of you need to have that Prime membership. With Amazon Family, you can create and add new members. So in the Amazon Family settings on your account, whoever the account holder is, you can add kids' profiles. You can send an invite to someone else. So, for instance, my wife and I have two separate Amazon accounts, but as the account holder, I have Amazon Prime, and we actually share all of those benefits. If she buys a Kindle book or an audio book, I get access to it also, which is really awesome. And so we don't see each other's orders because they're separate accounts. You can share payment methods. You can share your wallet. There's actually a bunch of sharing options right here. You can see you both have Prime Video subscriptions, everything like that. You don't have to have Amazon Prime to have this family sharing account. You can see down here, if you scroll down on the main page, there are benefits with Prime and benefits without Prime. But since you can't hide orders anymore, the best way to keep your order history and someone else's order history separate is to just have separate accounts. It's free to sign up for your own Amazon account and then add each other to the family so you can share those Amazon Prime benefits, and you don't both have to be paying for that Amazon Prime subscription. Like I said, though, there's a link in the description that will take you here where you can get a 6-month free trial of Amazon Prime, which is pretty awesome. And even if you don't qualify for that, you can still get half off if you're receiving government assistance or have any financial aid needs. Or you can just get a 30-day free trial of Amazon Prime with that new account that you sign up under. So that's Amazon Prime and Amazon Family, where you can actually share your Amazon Prime benefits. And that is the best way to hide orders or archive orders on Amazon now.